Hello initiates, this is Brendan from Whispernode here. Wanted to do a quick tutorial today. I've been wanting to do this one for a while, just been super busy, but really been enjoying the Initia Testnet and the fun gamified experience they have of creating this Jennie NFT, gaining XP, buying food, and then evolving the Jennie. So in this tutorial, just wanted to walk you guys through my daily transactions that I think will maximize your time and get you the most amount of XP. I think I've been getting between 200 and 300 XP per day doing all of these transactions, and just wanted to walk you guys through it in case you're kind of wasting time doing a lot of other stuff and show you the most efficient way to farm that XP and feed your Jennie that filet mignon to get her to evolve. So I'm over here at the app.testnet.initia.xyz page. I'm on my XP page here. So I'm just gonna walk through the steps that I do daily to gain that XP. So first thing I do is head over to my profile. I claim my staking rewards here. Boom, nice and easy. Next thing I do is I will swap, and I'll make one swap to each of the different denominations. So I'll do some Initia to USDC. And then I'll click swap again. And then I'll do Initia to Tuana. And then I'll do Initia to ETH. And you can see that this network, this testnet, is super fast. It's running smoothly now after some initial hiccups due to all the bot activity. So I'll do my Celestia swap. Boom. And that is all my swaps. So I'll do each swap. Then I'll go over to here, click the bridge page, and I will then bridge Initia to each of the different networks as well. Sorry, my Termius keeps popping up there. So I will just do Initia AI, bridge to over there. You can see that I run through these steps pretty quickly. I'm not wasting a ton of time each day. So click that bridge page. Actually, I could have clicked back, which would make it a little faster. So then I go to mini move, my address, Initia. Looks like, there we go. All right, click back, and then I can just change the network there a little quicker. Sometimes you gotta re-enter the amount. All right, Tuana. And last but not least, I got the Blackwing testnet there. All right, that covers the bridging. And then last thing I'll do on this page, I'll go to stake, and then I'll stake each of them as well. I tend to pick Whispernode. I'm a little bit biased. So boom, and then I click the stake button, stake the USDC. Boom, stake the ETH. I also don't know where these uptime metrics are coming from. Actually, they look a little better. Ours was seemingly not reflecting the correct uptime. I could show you guys, but that's kind of out of the scope of this tutorial. And then last but not least, I stake my Celestia there. Boom. I also make sure I visit the Faucet so I can get that new gas token. You have to connect your MetaMask and have a Gitcoin passport score of 20. You can connect your Discord if you have special roles. I don't have any of those special roles, so I don't even bother to click that button. But you can see I get 10 gas tokens and 30 Initia tokens here. And I just need to sign that with my MetaMask. Boom. So I hit the Faucet. And then I go back to the XP page, and then I click the Tuana app here. I go to the DEX. And then I do the same swaps, kind of using the Tuana DEX to each of the denominations as well. Internet's a little slow right now. There we go. Not sure why that one took so long there. It wasn't Initia network, it was probably my internet here. All right, last but not least here is wrap Bitcoin. Boom, did all the swaps on Tuana. Then I go to the pool page. And then what I'll do is all of those swaps I just made, I have positions in each of those liquidity pools. So I'll just add that amount that I swapped there to each liquidity pool. So I'm adding init USDT to the liquidity pool. Boom, that's complete. Then I go back to the pool page, click my positions since I've already done this before. If you haven't, just go to this pool page, find the right pool, which will be init / whatever the other currency is. So I'll add to the Bitcoin one. Sometimes the market price, if it dumps, overnight or something like that, it goes outside of the range you set. If it does go outside the range, I'll usually just remove all my liquidity from that. And then I'll go back to the pool page. And then if I want to, so now I can add to that Bitcoin pool that I removed before. So you can see it'll set a new range here. And I'll just click max, so I'll add that. And then I'll do the Ethereum pool. And it looks like, I think I removed my liquidity from the TIA init pool, so I'll add to that one as well. Oh, that's why. The Tia Init pool, the link to that brings you to the Bitcoin pool. So that's probably a bug in Tuana. But that's all I do on Tuana. And that's pretty much all I do on a daily basis. Actually, wait, I forgot one thing. I also will go to the Initia AI. And depending on the time of day or whatnot, you can mint NFTs. You can see that I can't mint them right now. I have to wait about 2 hours. So in 2 hours or after that, I'll come back and then mint a couple NFTs. But that pretty much covers my daily activity on Initia Testnet. Like I said, I've been getting 200 to 350 XP or so, which if you multiply it by 6 days, gives you enough to get that legendary spin here. So you want to get 1200 XP throughout the course of a week to get that legendary spin and hopefully get that filet mignon so you can feed your Jennie and evolve her. So that's kind of how I maximize my time. I'm not sure how long that took, but I think it was like under 10 minutes. So if you guys are spending like a ton more time doing a million transactions, I'm not sure. I haven't tested out, what the cost benefit of that is, but this is working just fine for me. I made a mistake in the beginning and accidentally fed my Jennie like a good food in the beginning instead of saving up for a filet mignon. So I'm one evolution behind, but really enjoying this testnet and playing with Initia. It's super fast. I love the dApps that are on it already on testnet. But yeah, that covers this tutorial. I also have been playing Ceviche, if that's how you pronounce it. So if you go to the Ceviche page, I don't think this is getting you Initia XP, but it's a really fun game anyway to play. So it's basically like a Monopoly game. You come here, you roll the dice for some Initia, and you make sure you bridge funds over to the Ceviche Initia first. But yeah, you move around the map here, and when you land on a property, you can buy it, and you have to pay rent and all these things. So you can see I can mint an apartment in Zurich for 36 Initia. And then when I do that, I get tax points, and then I can pay those tax points to either sabotage Zurich or any other place on the map. I can sabotage it, or I can decrease the radiation in it, and decreasing the radiation will make the rent higher for other people when they land on that space, and vice versa. If you sabotage it and increase the radiation, it will make the rent cheaper in those places when people land on it. So that's just another really fun game, but a little outside the scope of this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are enjoying the Initia Testnet. If you have any questions, if you need any gas tokens, let me know and I will send them to you. So take it easy, guys. Feed your Jennies those filet mignons, and I will see you next time. Peace.